One sunny day, in a magical forest, a tiny green creature named Greedo lived. Greedo loved to collect shiny objects and treasure. He was always on the lookout for something new. One day, Greedo heard a rumor about a hidden treasure deep in the forest. His eyes sparkled with excitement as he packed his bag with his favorite tools. He had a pickaxe, a shovel, and a magnifying glass to help him find the treasure. Greedo ventured into the forest, following the clues he had found. He climbed up steep hills, crossed babbling brooks, and even crawled through a dark cave. But as he went, he noticed something strange happening. He realized that he was no longer looking for the treasure. Instead, he was enjoying the journey. He was meeting new friends, seeing beautiful sights, and learning about the forest. Greedo felt a warmth in his heart that he had never felt before. Suddenly, he stumbled upon a glittering object, bigger and more beautiful than anything he had ever seen. It was a golden apple, shining brightly in the sun. Greedo picked it up, and as he did, he felt a sudden rush of happiness. Greedo looked at the apple and then at the forest around him. He realized that the treasure he had been searching for was not a shiny object, but the memories he made along the way. He smiled, hugged the golden apple, and decided to share his journey with all his new friends. From that day on, Greedo never forgot the lesson he learned. He realized that the true treasure was not in the things he collected, but in the moments he shared with others. And he lived happily ever after, spreading joy and kindness wherever he went.